Myself, Dr. Sabataranam, BMS MD, founder of Swastharaksha Ayurveda Clinic, Panchakarma and Wellness Center, Gulbarga. Today we'll be learning about Kottamchukkadi Taila. Kottamchukkadi Taila is present for your examination purpose as well in your MD syllabus, that is paper 3. In formulation, Vaishacha Kalpana, in Sneha Kalpana, Kottamchukkadi Taila has been mentioned, and it is also asked question in your examination. So let us learn more about Kottamchukkadi Taila. शरीरजानां दोषाणां क्रमेण परम औषधं बस्ति विरेको वमनं तथा तैलघृतं मधु. This shloka is taken from Ashtangaradhaya Sutrasthana, first chapter, 25th shloka. तैलादि तु शमनं स्वरूपेण औषधं तथेति क्रमेणैव वातस्य तैलम्. According to Acharya Vagbhata, among the Shamana Aushadhi, Taila, Ghrita and Madhu are considered to be best for Vata, Pitta and Kapha dosha respectively. It is well and good if you remember the shloka, just the 2 lines, because if any Sneha Kalpana question comes, you just can write this shloka there. Whether it may be Taila preparation or Ghitra preparation, there you can mention. Okay, this shloka just in introduction. Before going to Kottamchukkadi Taila, in question paper you will just write the introduction, right? I hope you all know the pattern of presentation. If not, please comment. I'll make a separate class on presentation in exam times, how, what and all you have to include, what all not you have to include, and how you should write headings, etc. Please do comment. Sneha Kalpana is unique preparation in which drugs are processed with oil or ghee. In Ayurveda, Taila is considered to be best medicament in treating Vata Vyadhis. One among such Taila which is commonly prescribed in Vata Vyadhi is Kottamchukkadi Taila. It is explained in Sahasra Yoga Taila Prakarana. The same reference is explained in AFI, that is Ayurveda Formulary of India. Derivation: Kottamchukkadi Taila. You have wondered what is Kottamchukkadi. The name is different itself. You have never heard like that. So, Kottam here means Kushta. Kushta is nothing but dravya, plant dravya. Chukka means Shunti. The name denotes that Taila contains Kushta and Nagara along with various other drugs as its ingredient. The picture is taken from AFI, and in AFI has accepted the reference of Kottamchukkadi Taila from Sahasra Yoga Taila Prakarana 12th. Shloka goes as such: Kushtham, Shunti, Vacha, Shigru, Katotit, Lashunam, Tatha. Siddhartham Suvaha, Devadruvam, Pishtva Atha Pachayet. Dadhi, Chincha Rasau, Datva, Taila Abhyanga Hetave. Vatavyadhi Prashmanam, Matra Stamba Vinashanam. Achintyo Asya Prabhavo hi Manimantradiva Smrutam. Okay, let us now move towards ingredients. We'll divide ingredients into Kalka Dravya, Taila Dravya and Drava Dravya. Kalka Dravya will be Kushtha, Shunti, Vacha, Shigru. And we have seen a new word, Katoti, in Shloka. Katoti is nothing but Himsara and Lashuna. Devadaru, Sarshapa, Rasna. These all are the Kalkadravya. Now, what is Taila Dravya? Obviously, Tila Taila. Here, Murchita Tila Taila should be taken. I hope you all know what is Murchita Taila, Tila Taila. If not, also comment in that. I'll explain in next class. Then Dravadravya will be Dadhi, that is nothing but curd, Chincha Rasa, Imlika pulp. Method of preparation. Murchita Tila Taila is taken in clean vessel and placed over Mandagni. Always and foremost thing, the oil should be warm at least before preparation, before putting Kalkadravya into it. Then it is heated until the fena appears on the surface of the Taila and Agni being given is stopped at this stage. After the oil gets little warm and appearance of fena, that is froth formation, the Agni is turned off. Heat is been stopped. Later, Dadhi followed by Chincha Rasa and powder of all the drugs mentioned earlier are added to the Taila and stirred well. Then the Patra is placed over Mandagni and the Paka is done for 2 days until Sneha Siddhi Lakshanas are seen. Also, there are rules and regulations while preparing Sneha Kalpana, that is preparation of any Taila, whether Dadhi has been added or Kshira is added or Kalka, Swarasa, etc. have been added and how many days it should be boiled. That rules and regulation is been mentioned. So, please let me know what all are the rules and regulations regarding each into the comment section. Okay, I'll tell you a technique how you have to write. Before presenting or while writing an examination, you should always start with standard method of preparation of Kottamchukkadi Taila or any Sneha, Taila, Grita, anything what is there, we have to write like that. In that, we have to write pre-operative, operative and post-operative. In pre-operative, drug collection and all will be included. If you want, I'll take another class on standardization as well. And in operative section, we have to mention this method of preparation. And post-operative, I'll be explaining further analytical parameters, etc. A bit of it is very much important so that you'll gain more marks. What is a dose? Dose form is externally for Abhyanga, that is massage. Indication, it is indicated in Vata Roga. You have seen directly in Shloka they have mentioned Vata Vyadhi. So almost all Vata Vyadhi, almost all the Vata Rogas, that is 80 Vata Rogas are there. In that everywhere Kottamchukkadi Taila has been used. Amavata, Angastambha, you have seen there, okay? Gatra Stambha, it is not Matra, when it is Gatra Stambha. Shelf life of Kottamchukkadi Taila or any Taila is 3 years. This part of analytical parameters you have to include in post-operative. Means what happens after preparation, what you will check. You will check organoleptic characteristics. Color will be reddish brown, smell faint, touch will be oily, taste is bitter. You have to write loss and drying, volatile content, refractive index, ash value, saponification, iodine value, therapeutic indication and dosage. And another one will be microbial contamination test. These points should be included into your answer sheet. Knowing the knowledge of the drugs or ingredients present into the Taila, it will help for better understanding of probable mode of action of particular Taila. For example, in Kottamchukkadi Taila now what we are learning, Kushta. Kushta, what is the guna of Kushta, Virya of Kushta and what are the karma of Kushta, Dravya. Then these all will help in better improve your writing skill in probable mode of action. Like because of Tikta Katu Madhura Rasa, Vata Shamana has been done. Laghu, Ruksha and Tikshna, Ushna Virya. Obviously, Ushna Virya means it is opposite to property of Vata, Virya of Vata, okay. because Vata is in Shita nature. Here Vipaka is Katu, Doshakna, Kapha and Vata Shamaka. Because of Kapha and Vata Shamaka, Kushta in Kottamchukkadi Taila will be more effective. Rogagnata will be Kushta, Shwasa, Jeena Jwara, etc. Nagara. Nagara is nothing but ginger. Shunthi. It is Katu in Rasa, Lagu Shita Guna, Ushna Virya, Madhura Vipaka. It is also Kaphavata Shamaka. Karma will be Agni Deepaka, Ridhya, Ruchya, Swarya, and many other. We can also write modern terms like antimicrobial, antibacterial properties, antioxidant. Vacha, Katu and Tiktarasa, Lagu Tikshna Guna, Ushna Virya, Katu Vipaka, Prabhava will be Medhya, Vata Kafahara. Same, Kafavata Shamaka. Karma will be Pachaka, Vamaka, Vakprada. It helps in improving your speaking skills. Or few people cannot pronounce the words, and even babies who cannot who did not reach their milestone, even Vacha is given there, right? Rogagnata, Vatajvara, Atisara, Granthi, Shofa, etc. Shigro. Nowadays, this drug is very much famous because people have now realized the importance of moringa. We have heard in various advertisements that moringa has so many benefits, contains so much of rich in iron, calcium, etc. People have now understood the value, but we Ayurveda people have known Shigro from very long time. So Shigro is Katu Tikta Rasa, Laghu Ruksha Tikshna Guna, Ushna Virya, Katu Vipaka, Grahi, Deepana, Shothahar Karma. It is also Vata Kapha Shamaka, Krimi, Pliha Roga, Medo Roga, etc. Shigru is been given. Lashuna. It is Amla Varjita Pancharasa. I hope you all know. Snigdha Guru Tikshna Guna, Ushna Virya, Katu Vipaka, Karma will be Balya, Brahmana, Rasayana, Vata Kafahara, and Rogagnata will be Vata Vyadhi, Shula, Ajirna, Gulma. There are a lot of more benefits of Lashuna. This all will help in probable mode of action, right? You can easily write. Now Katoti, that is Himsara. Guna will be Rukshalaghu, Deepana, Shothahara, Kafavatahara, Rogagnata, Shlipada, Granthi, Shotha, Yoni Rogas, etc. Part used will be root and leaf. Devadaru, Katutikta Kashaya Rasa, Ruksha Laghu Guna, Ushna Virya, Katu Vipaka, Deepana, Kasahara Karma, Vata and Kafashamaka, Kasa, Shwasa, Krimi, Jwara, Kandu, etc. Sarshapa is nothing but dry. At home we use Zira Raya, right? Like that, Rai. It is Katutikta Rasa, Laghu Rukshaguna, Ushnavirya, Katuvipaka, Vidahi Karma, Vamaka Karma, Kapha and Vatahara, Krimi Kushta Kandu Roga, etc. Rasna, Tiktarasa, Guru Guna, Ushnavirya, Katu Vipaka, Vayasthapana Karma, and Kafavatahara. With all this, have you observed a similar thing? Katu is Rasa is Katu Tikta mostly, except Kushta, and Virya is Ushna. Almost all drugs here are in Ushna in Virya. Ushna and Virya means they are opposite to Vata property. Okay, Vata is Shita in nature, right? So here the drug can act better for Vata Shamana. And have you observed that karma of all these drugs is Kapha Vata Shamaka? Hence, you can conclude that Kottamchukkadi Taila ingredients contain Kapha Vata Shamaka properties. Hence, Kottamchukkadi Taila is good for Vata Vyadhis and almost all the Vata Rogas which are present. Tila Taila is Madhura Rasa, Guru Snigdha Guna, Ushna Virya, Madhura Vipaka, Vata Shamaka, Pitta Kapha Vardaka. Karma will be Snehana, Vedanasthapna, Sandhanya. Dadhi, Madhura Amla Rasa, Kashaya Anurasa, Snigdha Guna, Ushna Virya, Madhura Vipaka. Doshagnata will be Tridoshakrit, Balakara, Deepana, Ruchiprada is karma. Doshagnata will be Pinasa, Vishamajvara, Atisara, Arochaka, Mutrakritra, etc. Chincha is nothing but tamarind, right? Madhura and Amla Rasa, Guru Ruksha Guna, Ushna Virya, Amla Vipaka, Raktakrit, Basti Shuddhikara, Ruchya will be karma, and Doshagnata Pittakrit. Just look at the slide. You can write in such manner in examination. Every time when you write in your exam sheet about any of the formulation, always include one or two research article regarding it. So research article here of Kottamchukkadi Taila will be Shamana Snehapana with Kottamchukkadi Taila in carpal tunnel syndrome. With respect to Snehapaka, a randomized double-blind clinical trial by Patil Rupesh Vilas, Manoj Kumar AK, MD Scholar, Professor and HOD, Department of Panchakarma, VPSV Ayurveda College, Kottakal, Kerala. In this article, they have formed a group A, B, and C, and their details of intervention have been mentioned here. Number of participants 22. They have taken subjects in all three groups, that is group A, B, and C. Trial drug 1, Mrudupaka. Okay, you know in Sneha Siddhi Lakshana there is Mrudupaka, Madhyamapaka, and Kharapaka. Okay, here first Kottamchukkadi Taila is prepared wherein Mrudupaka sample is taken and Madhyamapaka sample is taken and Kharapaka sample is taken and subjected to all 22 persons in each group. Dose will be 25 ml to 200 ml for each group. Duration up to Vyadhi Shamana, that is maximum 15 days. Snehapana is done for 15 days here with Kottamchukkadi Taila for all the group group A, B, and C, and 22 members which have been participated in the group. Anupana will be lukewarm water for all the three group. Time 10 to 9 to 10 p.m. on good appetite. Okay, this is Shamana. Okay, Shamana Snehapana. This is Shamana Snehapana. One must not get confused in Snehapana. Like usually what Shodhana purpose we do, one must not confuse Shodhana Snehapana and Shamana Snehapana. Hence, the time is different here. Diet before Snehapana is nothing but Kanji is given to all the person participating in the group. Probable mode of action. On analyzing the composition of Kottamchukkadi Taila, it is Kapha-Vata Shamaka. Many of the drugs produce Lekhana, Shothahar and Shulahara karma. Lashuna also attributes the property of Balya, and with its Rasayana property it restores the cellular integrity. In modern parlance, the anti-inflammatory action of Vacha, Kushta, Shigru, Lashuna is reported. The analgesic action of Vacha, Lashuna and Chincha Rasa has been reported. Kottamchukkadi Taila, which is having drugs forming Lekhana, Shothahar and Shulahara Deepana helps in removing the Kapha Avarana at Manibandha and also help in pacifying Vata. The dosha dominance in carpal tunnel syndrome is Kapha Vata and Taila has Samyoga Samskara property. It is processed with Shothahar, Lekhaniya and Shulahara Dravya. On administering this Taila as Shamana Sneha Pana, the Sneha properties like Tikshna, Sukshma, Sara, Vyavai Guna facilitate the transport of Shothahara, Shulahara and Lekhaniya properties to Madhyama Roga Marga, which felicitate relieving the kapha associated with the help and pacifying Vata. Conclusion: in present trial, Shravana Snehapana with Kottamchukkadi Taila is proved to be safe and effective in all the three groups, as no significant difference was observed clinically. Even though they have been subjected with Mrudu, Madhyama and Kharapaka, all the results in three group, all 22% were safe. Also write in your paper market availability. Here manufacturers are Kottakkal, AVP, Kaireli, Kerala Ayurveda, Vaidyaratnam, etc. Wherein 200 ml sample of price of Kottamchukkadi Taila of Kottakkal pharmacy will be 106, and rest other details have been mentioned on the slide. Please watch. Also, if you want a class on how to write, how to present in your exam sheet, please do comment so that one class I'll take on that as well. I hope you all understood Kottamchukkadi Taila, and if you have any doubts, please do not forget to comment. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Signing off, Dr. Sabatharannu, BMSMT Gold Medalist, founder of Swastharaksha Ayurveda Clinic, Panchakarma and Wellness Center, Gulbarga. If you have any queries or questions, please comment. I'll surely reply. For appointments, contact the number given on the slide. Thank you. If you want any class regarding any topic of Ayurveda, not only Rasa Shastra but Ayurveda, then please comment so that I'll make sure the next class will be that.